Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, thank you for your undivided attention today. This video will be about simplifying fractions. I'll probably do 2 examples today. Hopefully you pay attention because you'll have to do some of this today. I wouldn't want you to be silent. Let's start with the fraction.
55.
Let's go 15/35. Now, there are a couple ways we could approach this problem. We could list our factors of 15 and our factors of 35. We could look at the 2 numbers and see if we can think of a common factor. So looking at those 2 numbers, Dallin, I don't want to list all the factors of 15 and 35. Looking at those 2 numbers, can you think of anything that would divide evenly into both, Dallin? 5. Okay. If we're just going to look at them and make an educated guess, then we may have to do it more than one time. But in this case, we won't, because 5 is the greatest common factor. So we're going to divide my numerator and my denominator by 5, because the fraction 5/5 equals 1. And if I divide by 1, I don't change the value. I'm just really changing the way this is written. Like saying 60 minutes is an hour. Just because I called it some other way doesn't mean its value is anything differently. And Dallin, let's do 15 divided by 5 is what? 5.
No. No. It's not 5.
Don't tell him the answer. I called on him. Let him get it. I'll make him mad today. It's almost Christmas and now I gotta throw coal at you guys.
You're Santa Claus?
And 35 divided by 5, Dallin? 7. 35 is divisible by 5, goes down to 7. 15 divisible by 5 goes down to 3. I wonder who that is in the hall. I bet I could guess. Let's look at one. Let's go 13 over 26. Anybody think of a number that divides evenly into both? Maybe it's lowest terms. I don't know. Michael? Never mind. Adam?
13.
All right, let's see. This time I'm going to show you, as a reminder, we're going to list the factors of both 13 and 26. We always start with what, Madison? 1 in itself. All right, Madison, can you think of anything else that will multiply together to equal 13? Excellent. There are no other numbers. Knowing that tells me that 13 is a prime number. Now 26 is an even number. So I know 2 goes into 26. What is the sum of the digits in 26?
2.
Sum of the digits?
8.
8. So is 8 a multiple of 3? No. And it's not divisible by 5.
13.
It's not divisible by 6 because it's got to be divisible by both 2 and 3. Now, Adam really wants to answer this because he keeps yelling out the answer. 2 times what, Adam, is 26?
13.
13. We circle what they have in common. And the greatest common factor for 13 and 26 is 13.
1.
And since I know 13 is half of 26, We could have really just thought of it that way, and it's going to simplify down to 1/2. Yes, ma'am. Never mind is a good point. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today, save the beast, subscribe, please. I love everyone.